Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Can you hear me? Hey, how are
yes,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
I've
Been
missed
busy
you.
with. Oh, sure. Thanks. Yeah. How is everything going for you?
Oh, everything's going well. Do you remember
Hello.
me? Do you remember our
Yeah, of
project?
course. Of course, of course. How can I forget it?
Yeah, it's been so long. Well, thank you
Yeah.
so much for coming in the meeting. Um,
Yeah. Yes.
so, we just wanted to touch base with some of the key players that really helped us in the beginning and to
Mhm.
kind of show them, especially you, because can you remind me of your background again?
So I hold a PhD in computer graphics from NTU, and then postdoc research at ISFR. And right now I'm
Wait,
actually
wait,
professor of
Mohammed,
business.
wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Start with your name and speak a little slowly. You're fast.
Okay. 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 Right. So name is Mohammad Mubin Mawania. So yeah, and I hold a PhD in computer graphics from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore.
Wow.
I got the degree in 2012. It's so long ago now. It's around 14 years now.
Wow.
And I came back to my home country in 2013 and joined academics, because once you get a PhD degree, you are overqualified for the industry, right?
Yes.
So you can't really do much of industry work, and then you are focusing more on academics. So I was part of I joined as an assistant professor at DHS Ufa University, where I worked for almost 7 years.
Which university?
This is like a private university in Karachi, Pakistan, called DHS Ufa University,
Okay.
right? And I was there for 7 years, from like 2013 to 2020. And in fall 20, I joined another private university, which is like a liberal arts college called Habib University. This is also in Karachi.
Wow.
And yeah, so in the last years, last 3 years of my position at DHS of University, I was heading the Department of Computer Science. So I
Wow.
was like looking after there were like 40 odd faculty members that I was looking after, and then we have like 3 programs: undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate programs. Yeah.
That's
So yeah, so I have a lot of experience managing the different departments and the curricula. Yeah, and then since I think 2016 or 2015, I think just after the onset of COVID, when everything was shutting down, right?
yeah.
So people were looking for online opportunities, and so I started looking at what are the options available for development in computer graphics. And so I started doing freelancing and that's where I found you, Stephanie, if you remember. And then we started working on this project for you on OpenGL based, physically based rendering framework in OpenGL. Yeah.
Wow. That is one hell of a background. That's incredible.
Thank you
That's
so much.
incredible. So you have a PhD in computer
Yes.
science.
Yes.
My God. Yeah,
Yeah.
I saw some of your work on GitHub and I was like, this guy is serious. You have like physics. I saw some
Yeah.
soft cloth physics that you were playing with, some PBR
Yes.
stuff. I was like,
Yeah.
man, that's amazing. And you did you code it from scratch? You just like kind of made
Yeah.
your own thing, right?
So basically, I wrote everything from scratch. So
Wow.
it doesn't really matter. I can do it in JavaScript also. If you
Yeah.
want to do it in JavaScript, you can do that in JavaScript also.
Wow.
Because the fundamental equations are all pretty simple. It's not that difficult to do.
That's incredible. That is
Yeah.
incredible. Because I was
Yeah.
really I was really impressed with your soft cloth physics testing that you were doing. And I was
Yeah.
always curious. I wanted to ask you, but I knew you were busy teaching.
Yeah.
How difficult is that to implement from scratch?
It's not that difficult. The only thing that is difficult is getting into more models. Like for example, if you want to get arbitrary kind of garments, for example, like shirts of different kinds, like long shirt or long sleeve shirt or long collar shirt. Those variants actually are problematic.
Okay, I
Because
see.
you have to design them manually. Like you can't so there's one way you can model them in like 3D Studio Max or Maya, where you sort of share the relationship between edges, right, and polygons. But that's it. You can't sort of edit it in runtime. So if you want to get some sort of runtime behavior where you want people to sort of unzip or zip up the jackets and so off, so this sort of functionality will need you to model everything from scratch.
Oh wow.
So we model those as patterns. We like they normally do, the tailors do, right? They generate patterns first, and then they sew the patterns together. So we do something similar virtually.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay, wow. All
yeah,
right. So, are you ready to see how far we've
sure,
come with Unova? Now,
sure,
of course,
sure.
it's still in development, but
Yeah, yeah,
we recently released a light version of the software because it was generating a lot of buzz and people wanted to really actually test it to see if it was real. So, we're
right,
we
right.
are in the generation where everybody thinks everything is AI. And
Yes,
so, and we had a really hard time trying to convince people that software was real. Nobody believed it was real.
yeah,
Uh, People kept telling us it was too good to be true. There's no way it's
yeah,
actually that fast. There's no way it looks that good. And
yeah,
so we had to hurry up and try to release a light version. That way, at
right,
least people can get their hands on the software while we
right.
develop the pro version. Thank you
Mhm.
for all your work that you did do in the beginning.
Thank you
And
so much.
then we're going to install it together right here, right now. You're going to share your screen.
Oh,
Are
okay.
you on your on your workstation computer right now?
Yeah, I'm on my workstation.
Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to create this license, and then you're going to get an email. Can I use the
Oh,
same email to send you the license?
yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay. This is
Oh,
our software. This is Univah Pro. So you worked on the very first film engine. Before you click on anything,
yeah,
just scroll down so you can see what you were working on.
all
So
right.
we've created something called the Univah Film Engine. It's the world's first film engine. It's powered
Wow,
by our proprietary Religion VFX motion graphic system. So we created our
wow,
own motion graphic system, which rivals Maya's MoGraph. I mean Maya's Mesh Network and Cinema 4D's MoGraph.
wow.
Yes, and it does all this real-time physically based rendering, planetary rendering, all this stuff that in the beginning we were trying to do and struggling.
Yeah,
Yeah, we figured it out and we went way above that. And
wow,
we're also creating something called Make Me, which if you scroll down, you'll see the little graphic. Uh,
wow.
no, scroll up.
Oh,
Yeah, so Make
yeah,
Me is
this
our
one.
character creator. It's our very
Wow,
own character creator. It's going to be unique. It's the most unique and versatile character creator ever made because it allows you to create non-human characters. So if you want to make like half human, half horse, you'll be able to do that in Make Me.
wow.
Yes, so that's the goal. And then
So
this is
that is like is like a standalone thing or a plugin into this Univa?
it's going to be everything is standalone. We don't do any plugins.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, right.
But of course because we're developing both softwares, it will integrate with Unova very nicely.
Wow, yeah,
Okay.
super.
Yes. So this is Unova. This is how it looks now,
Wow.
and this is the dark theme. And we changed it. If you remember, in the beginning, it was like gray and green.
Yes, yes, green,
Yes,
green.
but we changed it because we realized it looked too similar to another software called iClone.
Right.
Yeah, and so we didn't want that, so we changed it
Yeah,
to gray. Okay,
yeah,
so
it looks
scroll
pretty good.
down. Yeah, scroll down. And you'll see kind of what we've been working on. Our goal is to actually go to SIGGRAPH this year and present.
Wow,
Yes, we're planning on going to SIGGRAPH this year, and we're going to present
excellent,
it to SIGGRAPH. Yeah.
wonderful.
All right. So Unova is really unique because it has photorealistic rendering and non-photorealistic rendering for people who
Yeah,
like the sketch and tune shaders.
yeah,
We've made it really, really simple. We want work to feel like play. You shouldn't be too serious, you know?
yes, yes,
And we created a no node graph based system so that when you are working in these other tools like Houdini, Maya, Blender, even Unreal
yeah,
Engine, even Unreal Engine, which is real time, the graphics are not too good for film. That's why we
yes,
created a film engine. So everybody who was trying to be a filmmaker and they wanted something real time, we noticed that they were going to Unreal Engine. And they
yeah,
weren't going to Unreal Engine because it's good. They were going there because they had no alternative.
yeah,
If you're a filmmaker and you wanted something real time, it's either you go with Unreal or you suffer in in Max
yeah,
or in
yeah,
Maya and you're doing
yeah,
like offline rendering, which is very slow, or you're paying for render farms. So we
right,
created Unova to solve this problem.
wonderful.
Yes. So Unova is the first film engine. It's a new category specifically for filmmakers. It doesn't make games, it
Wow,
only does films.
this is awesome.
Okay.
I'm
Now,
really happy to see it progress to this level. This is amazing. It
oh,
looks really amazing. Yeah,
thank you. Thank you. Yes. We laid a very strong foundation and we just went from there. Okay. So if you
yeah,
go back up to computer graphics,
yeah,
the main menu, you're going to see all of this information and you can read that on your own time. Let me
yeah.
show you go to Univah renders.
Univah renders. Is
Oh,
it
actually,
path?
before you do, go to what is
This one.
religion? No. What is religion VFX? Let me show you that first. Yeah. So
why do you call it religion VFX? Any particular reason for this?
that's just the name of it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I think you'll understand it if you have you ever done any motion graphics work in Maya?
Never.
No? Okay.
No.
So this is if you watch this video, this is what religion does. Religion is really powerful. It basically does all of the motion graphics effects that you would see like in Hollywood and
Right.
in commercials like Nike commercials, where a shoe explodes and the shoe comes back together. All those kinds of ads where you see things kind of disintegrate and come back together. That's what the Maya Mesh network does. That's what Cinema 4D's MoGraph does. And now that's what Religion VFX does. Except ours is better because it's completely real time. You see?
Right.
So that's the advantage in using our software. Because in other software, you make an effect. Okay, that's nice and all, but then you have to render that effect.
Right. And it takes a lot of time, right?
It takes a lot of time to render those effects. Here, you see the final quality in real time.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's super cool.
Yes. So you can scroll down to see the rest of Religion VFX. We call it religion because it's the core of the software. This is the power. It powers the software. So remember how in the beginning we told you Univah is powered by religion? Yes. So religion is the foundation of the software. All the rendering, the speed, the power of the software comes from here.
Right.
Yeah.
So have you been to SIGGRAPH, is it? Or I saw it SIGGRAPH 2025. So you were there in SIGGRAPH 2025?
No, SIGGRAPH 2025 unfortunately was like I think in Singapore.
Oh.
Yeah, it wasn't and our software was not yet at the level to where we could even present it. But what I did do was I made a video. So for people that are paying attention to SIGGRAPH, they can start to see, who we are and start to expect us,
Right.
Yes.
But this is amazing, yeah. So you're using SGS here, is it?
Yes.
SGS.
Yes, this is real-time animation of sign distance field.
Right.
Yeah. And
excellent. That's wonderful.
Yes, and I don't think there's any software that does it this easily. In Houdini, you would have to do a lot of node graphs to make this possible.
Yes.
All right.
And I think you have to do something similar called geometry nodes. I don't know if you remember in Blender.
Yes.
So they have this through geometry node, but that also needs a lot of handwork, You have to manually
a lot of setup.
add in a lot of functions and a lot of setup.
Exactly, a lot of setup. Okay, so this is religion. This is really the power of our software. Is just we're taking things that are really complex in other softwares and we're making it very simple.
Right.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah.
Okay, so scroll up.
Further up, is it, or down?
Scroll up. Oh, yes. Oh, wait. Go back down. You see the video where it says animated traffic?
Yeah.
Okay, these are the kinds of videos that really show you the power of religion. If you click on this video, if you wanted to make traffic, you really just import one FBX car, animate it, and then distribute it as many times as you want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can see that effect. If you skip in the video to like 10 minutes ahead, amazing is that.
Oh.
Yes. So it does all these cool effects. Religion is so powerful. You know, and all of this is real time.
Wow.
Yes. So you can distribute anything that you import.
Right.
Yeah. And if you skip again further up, so you can see how it makes traffic.
Right.
Yes, because once you distribute, you can change it. Yes, you can change the distribution type. You can make it, so you can stack it up. You can make it one by one, and it works with all these different effectors. I mean, we've made it so easy. You see?
Right.
Yes, and then you can randomize it so that there are different colors, textures, sizes. So the working on this project and working with you guys slightly turned me into a developer a little bit.
Yeah, but this is good. Like you need some sort of like managers like this, who are able to understand what programmers are going through,
Absolutely. Yeah. I like to see what's going on so I can understand.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, wow. It worked perfectly for you. So now you enter your license.
Oh, cool.
Okay. It works.
Yep. Cool.
Okay. Welcome to the Univah Film Engine. Wow. Look at your FPS. You're starting at 700 FPS.
Yes.
Yeah, this is cool.
Because I have a RTX hardware with me on my machine. So it's like RTX 2080.
Perfect. That's exactly what I was going to ask you next. So before you do anything, do me a favor and minimize every other window. And can you open up your task manager because I want to see your PC specs.
You want me to see the properties, is it?
I want to see your graphics manager and your CPU.
Okay.
So I think if you go to performance or details, yeah, perfect. So you have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Wow, that's awesome. And let's see how much VRAM. You have 12 gig VRAM. Whoa. That's powerful. And what is your CPU?
My CPU is, I think, Intel. I can share device manager. Hold on.
Wait. No. You don't have to do that. You can do all of this in this same screen. If you click up where it says CPU. Okay, perfect. So you have a Core i7 CPU with a 3.4 refresh rate. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so that's really, you have above and beyond the what's needed to run Univah.
And I'm actually going to increase my memory. 16 gig is too low. For some of the works that I do on like ML training. So I'm going to increase this to like at least 16 more gigs to 32 gigs.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to walk you through Univah. So first impressions, what do you think of the light theme?
To be honest, I'd prefer more like the darker shade. The reason being, it becomes more like this lighting actually is more disturbing for me.
Yes.
Yeah. In terms of like in the nighttime, in particular in the nighttime.
Exactly. Yes. So we know that all the professionals are going to prefer the dark mode, but that aside, just pretend this is the dark mode because the dark mode looks the same. What do you think of the UI, the interface, everything? And it still seems it's the same from when you created it.
Yes, I think I remember the outliner, the attribute editor, the library. I think that time around we didn't have anything in there. It was that the menus, that the system was there, material editor was there, I think.
Yes.
But Religion was not there,
Yes, exactly. And the library was there, but there was nothing in it.
There's nothing in it,
Yes.
It was empty at the moment,
Okay, perfect. All right. So if you go to the help, if you click on Univah tutorials, it's going to take you to the YouTube, or I think it should be it's going to take you to our website. Yes.
Yeah.
And here you're going to see we have our manual, which is published on Amazon. Yes. So if you click that, you're going to see us on Amazon.
Wow. So you have a whole handbook on this.
Yes. Wow. Yes. So that's there because we want this version to be taught in schools. So that's why we made it light. Yes. So we made the light theme specifically for teachers and students, and it's actually free. Univah Light is free for all active college teachers and students. So that's why we made it light theme, so that it keeps you awake while you're in school. And then the pros, when you get Univah Pro, you get both light theme and dark theme for Univah Pro.
Okay. I get it now.
Yes.
The reason for using the light theme, Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense now,
Yes. So when you're teaching the tutorials and everything, you're going to see light theme. It's every time you see someone teaching a light theme, you know that's a student, that's a teacher.
Right.
Yes. All right, so go back.
Yeah.
The handbook is on Amazon, and then we also have it here for free because we always are updating it.
Wow.
Yes. So here you'll see system requirements. It's going to teach you everything you need to know to get started.
Wow.
And it links to all the tutorials.
Okay. Wow.
All right, so that's that. Let's go back to the software.
Yeah.
And go back again to help. And next, you're going to see debug and EULA. So debug is just how you report a bug. And EULA is our end user license agreement, which basically says, you can basically use the software for whatever you want. We're not strict at all. Yes. So we have a very, very relaxed end user license agreement. Okay. Good. Because we want everyone to be able to make whatever they want. We don't police what you make. Okay.
Right.
Okay. All right. And then about, is going to tell you about the software.
Uh-huh.
So you are using the Univah Film Engine version 1.
Right.
And the minimum requirements, it works perfectly on a GTX 1050. So we optimized it for even something that old.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So you have above and beyond what you need.
Right.
Okay. So that's all the information.
Right.
You can close that.
Yep.
Okay. Now go to computer graphics.
Yeah.
And click Univah renders. Okay.
Wow.
So check this out.
Wow. This is really, really nice. The quality is very nice.
Yes. Thank you. Remember when we were struggling to implement PBR?
Yes. Yes.
We got it.
We did. In the end, we got it.
We got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's funny, you know what's funny, Mohammad?
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember where you got stuck, but what the place where you got stuck when we were trying to do PBR in the Qt framework was you were so close. That's what's funny. You were so close. It was just like one thing, because you remember everything was rendering black.
Yeah.
You kept getting the black screen. And I
Yeah.
remember you tried and tried so hard, but we couldn't figure out what was wrong. And it was just like
Yeah.
one little thing.
Yeah. It's always like that, You're
Yeah.
very near to the cliff, and then you realize, oh, you missed something.
Yes. Because what we ended up doing after you left was we converted the whole project to
Oh.
Visual Studio, because we couldn't find, we were having a really hard time hiring freelancers who could use the Qt framework. They didn't want to use it. So
Okay.
yeah, they didn't want to use Qt Creator. So we were like, okay, let's just use Visual Studio.
Right. Yeah, pretty good.
You like
The
it?
quality is pretty nice. Yeah, I love the rendering quality is very nice.
Yes.
It's like real time, like the offline renders that we normally get this kind of quality.
Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
And that's the key. That's why people are praising us so much, because we're giving offline rendering in real time at above 60 FPS, which is unprecedented.
Yes.
This is now you see why people did not believe the software was real. They thought it was AI.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the software. Let's go and test it out now.
Yeah.
Now that you have it. Okay, so let's create your first primitive.
Very cute.
Yes. Okay, so you have your first cube. Now, this is how you navigate. I think if you remember, it's right-click to look around, right-click again to free the mouse, WASD, QE.
Up and down, right?
Yes. And the camera speeds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Yeah. I think I remember this.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
And okay, so you have your first object. If you press H, it recenters everything. It takes you back to the... There you go.
The default thing.
Yes. Okay.
Right.
Now, in the outliner, you have your objects. Of course, as you already know, the checkbox is how you show and hide. Yes. And of course, you see how we brought the green back, but we put it on the light theme.
Right.
Yes, because that's more unique. Okay. So, yes, that's correct. We have all of the fun stuff in the material editor.
Yeah.
Yes. But we'll get to that. We'll get to all of this. So let's add a floor.
Okay, let me see.
Yes.
Okay, it was there.
Perfect. And let's add your first light.
Light.
Directional. Yes. Okay, cool. So you've added your first light. Now, if you click on the cube, everything's kind of stacked on top of each other. And now if you go to the attribute editor and go to transform, you can use the transform buttons right next to reset, or you can type it in manually.
Okay.
But if you want to use the gizmos, more fun. You can use the gizmos. So the 3 gizmo buttons are next to reset.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yes.
Move, scale, and rotate,
Yes.
Or move, rotate, and scale,
Yes. And the keyboard shortcuts to those are Z, X, and C.
Oh, okay. Z. After the outline is pressed, is it?
Yeah, Z, X.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then to switch between local and world, it's the V key. Tap the V key.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, works.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yes. If you want to make a copy or a duplicate of this object, or press Control F.
Control F. In the outliner? Or?
Make sure that the viewport is active.
Yeah.
So click in the viewport and then Control F. There you go. So you've made a copy. Hit that Z key to translate it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. And now I'm going to show you how to make your first parent and child relationship. There's 2 ways. You can either just click and drag an object into another object, or you can use the attribute editor.
Oh, like this, right?
Yes.
Wow.
So now whatever you do to the parent, the child, there you go.
That's very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
So let's change some colors. You want to change some colors?
Sure.
Okay, go to the material editor, click on your parent.
Yeah.
And scroll up and click on color, the very first tab. You can either do a color or a gradient. Which one do you want?
Right. Let's try with color.
Okay.
Oh, maybe let's try gradient first.
Okay.
Wow.
So, yes, perfect.
So like the stepping keys that we normally use to create the gradient step.
And if you click on any empty, if you double click on any empty spot, you can add more points.
You can get more steps,
And if you double click in that point, you can change the color.
Yeah.
There you go.
I think it's quite how we normally work in like similar softwares,
Exactly.
It gives you 3 steps,
Yes.
This is super cool.
And if you want to delete any point, you just hit the delete key.
Wow. It's very intuitive and very easy to use.
Yes. And if you decide you don't want the gradient anymore, just click clear. And then you can choose a solid color.
Right.
You can click pick color.
I can do this, right?
Yes, you can do that, or you can use pick color button, and you can do it that way as well. It changes in real time as you drag it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you've probably noticed by now that everything kind of. Are you familiar with SketchUp, the software?
Yes.
Okay.
This is used by architects, right, for sort of modeling, sketching out their
Exactly.
plans.
Yes, exactly. So you've probably noticed by now that Univah has a very SketchUp look, right?
Yeah, it's very similar,
Yeah, so we did that intentionally. We wanted things to be very playful, and we wanted the default rendering style to be very architectural. And then we have styles, and if you want to switch now to PBR or any different style, it's one click. Boom.
Wow. It's really nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
And if you add a sphere, you'll really see the PBR.
Yeah. Great.
Because it's hard to see it on a cube.
Yes.
This is what I'm trying to show you. You see in styles, when you select a style, it has settings for those styles, you see?
Right.
Before you do anything in the PBR, click on the styles again, because I want you to see how it works. So when you select paint, for instance, select paint.
Yeah.
So now this is going to render like paint.
Right.
And then you would want to go now to the paint settings underneath. You see underneath PBR, you see paint?
Yeah.
And now you can change this. You see changes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
That's how it works. And these are global settings. So remember that. Whatever you're doing here in the materials, these are global settings. It will affect everything in the scene.
Wow.
Okay? And then if you don't want paint anymore, just click PBR.
Okay. Wow.
And now you're back in PBR.
It's very smooth. The transition is pretty smooth.
Exactly. It's like nothing happened. So you can collapse paint. Let's focus now on PBR.
Okay. PBR and
yes. So start with the thumbnail. As you can see, if you can Yeah, you can show or hide the thumbnail. You can upload or delete the IBL. You can blur the IBL.
Right. So this is going to smooth out the environment, right?
Exactly. So it's going to blur it. I think you guys call it convolution or convolute.
Yeah, convolution.
Yeah, that's
so basically we're trying to smoothen out the overall effect so it appears more like where the light source is coming from.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So you can do that. This is rotate.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Get it? And there's the sheen.
Yes. Okay. So you wanted to add metallic, right? So lower the sheen back to 0. Scroll all the way down to metallic and push up the metallic. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing I was looking for.
Yes. And then, of course, you can do the roughness.
The roughness to give the reflections, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
And if you go ahead and duplicate the sphere and make another sphere, I'm going to show you something even cooler that you're going to really like. Control F.
Yeah. Okay. Control F.
You want to make sure you click in the viewport because the viewport needs to be active.
Okay. And then how do I select then?
Yeah. Control F.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Then press the Z key now.
Yeah, to move it about.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Now with this one selected, I'm going to show you something really cool in Univah. So in Univah, we have something called per object styling. What this means is that we can basically mix and match rendering styles all in the same scene. So yes. So one sphere can be toon shaded, the other one can be PBR.
Wow.
Yeah. So go back to Sketch. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Click on Sketch.
Sketch. Was it the option here? Is it?
Yeah, the top one. Sketch is always the very first.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
So here's Sketch. And now with this one selected, if you go to the left, you're going to see the attribute editor.
Yes.
Okay. Collapse the transform because we're done with that. And now go to per object styling. Okay. Now, before you do anything, right above it, you're going to see object manager.
Yeah.
Okay. So every object has its object manager. Now, if you look down, you're going to see something that says use global style.
Yeah.
Okay. If you change this to PBR, now, yes.
Only that particular object will be affected now.
Yes. Now, if you scroll down now to per object styling.
Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah. Now change the metallic for just this object. You see?
Wow. So it controls for this object specifically.
Yes.
Wow. That's a lot of control, you know.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. This is super cool.
Yes.
Wow. This is very nice.
Yes.
So you can sort of override the global settings by using local per object styling.
Exactly.
Right. Exactly. This is a really nice feature.
Yes. That alone is going to save you so much time.
Yeah. Otherwise, you'll have to sort of do like multiple passes through, right?
Exactly.
So there's one pass going only for PBR, there another pass for cell rendering.
Exactly.
And then they won't merge also. You'll have to do some sort of like a combination. You'll have to do some sort of like masking tricks to make them, both of them, sort of be part of the same scene, you know?
Exactly. But here in Univah, as you can see, you don't have to create any new layers. You don't have to do any compositing. It's just really clever architecture. And look at the FPS. It's not struggling.
400 FPS is a lot.
Yeah. Okay, now let me show you something cool. Have you heard of light linking?
Light linking. Is it something to do with like you attach a light source to an object or something?
You are close. So light linking in professional softwares like Maya or 3ds Max is basically where you tell the software which light should affect which object, which shadows should affect which. So it gives you extreme control.
Oh, okay.
So let me show you. Right now we have one light, which is the directional light, right?
Yes.
Now, perfect. So this directional light, if you click it, go to the attribute editor. You're going to see light parameters.
Light parameters,
Now you can turn off this light, turn it on. You can also change the shadow resolution.
Wow. Is this one right?
Yes. So you can go all the way to 4K.
That is going to make like how detailed the shadows appear, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where are the shadows right now in your scene? Why don't I see it?
Yeah, I am also trying to.
Is it off?
Is it because of the shading sketch model?
No, it should still work. Go back to PBR. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, showing in the PBR.
Okay, showing in the PBR. Go back
But
to
not in the
sketch.
sketch.
Just go ahead and move the sun angle around. Let's see.
Okay. How do I do that?
In the light parameters, you're going to see sun angle X and sun angle Y.
Okay, hold on one sec.
Select your directional light again. Go to attribute editor. In the left side. Yeah. Sun angle X, sun angle Y. Oh, there it is. So it was just hiding somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good.
For keeping the lights up,
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, based on what you've seen so far, what is your favorite feature so far?
So this ability of changing the per object styling, I think this is remarkable. Like you can change the rendering technique on per object level. I don't think any other software does something like this.
Yeah.
They don't give you control at that level that you can modify at an object level.
And if they do, it's not without, you would have to do like a really long node graph setup.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that takes a lot of time and a lot of like workarounds. It's not like a full solution.
Exactly. It's not like you're just going to click a button and then per object styling. Yeah. Per object styling makes it so simple. Yeah.
It's not that simple that you can do it like just a toggle and you're done.
Exactly.
You have made it quite simple here in the software.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Did you like the? Oh, did you play with the physics yet?
Never, not yet.
Not
because
yet?
I'm just starting out with this, right? I'm just playing around with you.
Oh, if you ever get lost, just hit H. H will take you back. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Super cool.
Yeah. So this is what we are hoping to get into schools. Our goal this year is to get teachers to teach this. We want students to use it. As I showed you, did I show you? Okay, I may not have shown you. Let's go back to the website.
Go here, right?
Yes, you can go here. And if you click on the computer graphics, go to Univah Light.
Let me dismiss that.
Okay, perfect. Go to Univah Light.
Yeah.
So this is the software that you're using. And this is the education version, as we told you. That's why the theme is light. So the pro version comes with light and dark mode, which we know everyone's going to switch to dark mode immediately.
Yeah.
So if you click learn more, don't click on it, but learn more just takes you to the tutorial, so that if you're ready to really learn the software, watch the tutorials and just practice doing exactly what you see in the tutorials, okay?
Right.
Okay, so that's going to take you to the YouTube playlist, and everything is already organized.
Wow.
Yeah, everything's already organized. And everything you see in the video, you can do in Univah Light. There's nothing that we're showing you that you can't reproduce in Univah Light.
Wow.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, Stephanie, for sharing all this.
Of course. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. And one thing I didn't try yet. Can we try the clouds? Let's see if the clouds work on your graphics card. It should.
Right?
Yeah. Go back to Sketch though before you do it. Wait. Go back to Sketch. The reason I'm saying either go back to Sketch or just hide the environment map, because the environment map is showing clouds, you see?
Oh.
So you can just go to Sketch or you can go to PBR and hide the environment map.
Okay, and then let me figure out where the environment map is.
It's going to be in the PBR settings.
Yeah. Okay, let me collapse the material.
Perfect. And that's it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Now let's add a sky. So create. add sky, because atmosphere is the planetary one, if you remember.
Yeah. I remember this.
And then sky is like the 2D kind of playful sky. And then add clouds. Let's see how it looks on your system.
New cloud layer, cumulus.
New cloud layer. Oh,
Wow.
nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Very cool. And you can fly up there.
Yeah.
And these are the same clouds. Remember when I was asking you, please, can you separate the clouds?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is where you probably will take advantage of the different camera speeds, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah. That's very nice.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think we figured out a way to add multiple layers. So you can add another layer above this.
Oh.
Yes.
Super cool.
And of course, the clouds have parameters. So if you go to Attribute Editor, you can see the cloud parameters. If you collapse all of this, there you go. Yeah. And of course, you can also change the color of the clouds.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Let's try the water. Let's see if the water works. Add ocean.
With the cloud, or do you want me to disable?
Yeah, no, just add an ocean.
Infinite pool.
Yeah.
Ocean.
Okay. So we've got some water.
Yeah.
And you can actually hit the Z key.
And we can move it up and down.
Yeah, move it up. There you go. So no, it's not your graphics card. That's how it is. It's not yet. It doesn't yet have a bottom, like it underwater.
No, I'm just saying, like, because we are having like cloud and ocean at the same time. It's actually like the graphic card fans are running now. That's what I'm saying.
Oh yes.
Like, so it takes a lot of processing, right?
Yes, and you're still operating above 60 FPS.
Yeah, it's around 100 FPS.
Yeah, so that's.
But the fans are on. The fans are on.
The fans are running.
Yeah.
The
graphic card fans are running.
Yeah, the fans are running.
It's super cool. Super cool.
So, and of course, the water also has parameters.
Yeah, attribute.
Yes.
Okay. Threshold. Okay. Yeah. And then I need to reduce the speed. Yeah, and
color. It can look really nice just depending on what you're going for.
All right.
Yeah, so it's a really good start.
Yeah.
Yeah. You took the parameters to get what you want, and yeah. But of course, as you can see, it's nowhere near complete because there's no shoreline detection. There really should be bubbles by the edges of like where the water meets a person or a rock, you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I understand completely that these are like more like finishing and things that you can add on later.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We just wanted to at least give them something.
Yeah. So maybe probably for this sort of thing, you can use the SDF again, Like the SDF of the object can be used to create the collision volumes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, that's why I like speaking to a PhD. That never even occurred to me that was possible.
Yeah. So basically, see, every mesh that you have, you can generate an SDF from it. So SDF is going to tell you, like right now, you want to know how far a particular wave particle is from the given mesh, right? So once you have the SDF, you can then query the SDF directly how far it is from the wave, and then you can displace it and also show foam or whatever you want using the SDF.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, so that should be doable. I think there are a couple of articles that I've read which explain this in more detail.
Okay.
I think one of it's in there in the graphic gems or GPU gems. I've read it in one of those books. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And for the lighting, I was trying to find that book for you. Let me. It's called Lighting for Lightscape, I think.
Okay.
It's an amazing book which covers all of the basics for lighting.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the book.
Okay.
Give me one second. I'll try to share the Amazon link with you.
Okay.
Amazon.com.
Univah Light for free. So you will never have to pay for this product ever. As long as you're a teacher, you can
That's
use it.
so generous of you.
Of course. And you're the first one I thought of because I was like, this guy really loves graphics and he teaches it. So if there's anything in our software that you want to show your students, or you definitely can. And if you want your students to also play with this in class, because the software is so fast and renders instantly, it's really the perfect teaching tool versus teaching something like Houdini in your class, where you spend 30 minutes of your class time doing node graphs.
And then trying to get the whole thing working first, like downloading the whole thing, it takes a lot of time,
You're right. So, yes.
Wonderful.
So yes, if you want to study this some more and play with it and have more feedback for me, please don't feel shy. You're not bothering me at all. That's exactly why we reach out to people to try it, because it helps us, because there are things that we overlook, as of course. So I thank you so much for your time, Mohammad. I'm so grateful.
It was a pleasure to connect with you again, Stephanie, and I really hope that you can sort of like look out on this and try to improve it the way you want, the way you envisioned it since the beginning, right?
Yeah.
So I sincerely hope that you can actually not only meet that but exceed that like aim that you have targeted for this software.
Yes, we definitely will. Can I ask you something? Because I want to test something on your system to see if it works perfectly.
Yeah.
Do you have any video that we can upload?
Video? Hold on.
Do you have any video on your desktop or something?
Hold on. I usually don't have.
Okay, no worries. We can generate a video. We can generate a video right here in Univah. So let me show you our instant video export, which I think you're gonna really love. So if you press the escape key, you go full screen. So so this is full screen mode in Univah. And when you're in full screen mode, if you press the 6 key, you will bring back just the little bar. Okay. Now with this back, if you want to bring back just the outliner, you can press the 7 key. Actually, the 7 key brings back just the main menu. Yes. And then the 8 key brings back the outliner. So press the 8 key. Okay. All right. Now let's record a video. Push the little record button you see at the top next to the play.
This one?
Yes. I want to see how this works on your system. Choose MP4 or AVI, which one you prefer, and then drag the frame rate. Wait. Drag the frame rate to match close to what you have up top. So you have about 211, 210. That's what you're currently running at right now. Okay, so hit record.
Start recording?
Yes. Okay, and just move around and do stuff.
Yeah.
It's going to record. Maybe click on the character and move him around so we have something fun to look at.
Yeah.
Click on the, move him around. No, click on the actual. Because that's
right.
Yeah, I was going to try to move the whole character, but that's fine. Okay, that's good enough. Hit stop. Hit recording again to stop. Okay, save it to your desktop.
Univah. Right?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's play that video. Let's find it and play it.
Okay, this is it. Wow.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So very quickly, you see how you can make animations?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Exit this. We're going to bring this video into Univah. We're going to bring it right back into Univah. Okay, press the escape key again. The escape key, press it again. Yeah, it brings back the UI. Now, if you ever want to just reset your UI to how it was in the beginning, you can go to Window and just hit Reset UI.
Right.
Okay, cool. Now, let's add a cube.
New scene or same scene?
No, same scene. Just add a cube. I want to test something.
Cube?
Yes, cube. And scale the cube up to be pretty big. Okay, good. All right.
Move it up a bit.
Yeah, move it up so we can see. Perfect. Okay, we're going to add the video that we just recorded as a texture. So let's go to Materials. Scroll down. And click on the box that says Video.
This one.
Yes. Let's upload that video in here.
Wow.
Okay. So it's working. But as you can see, it's like upside down, right?
Yeah. You have to adjust the UVs, right?
Perfect. So just click two box.
Which one? This one, two box?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Right.
Because if you click to sphere, then it's going to map it to sphere. It's going to look bad.
Basically, these are all your mappings, right?
Yeah.
How you're mapping from your box coordinates to the texture coordinates.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you click to plane, like
one plane only. So it's going to be either visible in top or bottom. You'd like to see.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, now here's what's cool. Click back to box. Now let's go to Attribute Editor. I want to try something because I want to show you. Now go to Object Manager. Because if you wanted to make this look like a TV, you could do emissiveness. You see emissiveness?
Wow. So it's very nice.
Yes.
So it's going to make it more like lit, right? If I change this color to more white.
Yes. This usually works if it's not a video. So
yeah, I think I understand.
Yes, exactly. If it's like a solid texture, then yes.
Yeah.
But for video, no.
Yeah. Super cool.
Yes. Okay, and you can just uncheck emissiveness if you don't want that anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, let's try one more thing before you go. Can we check? Oh, calling, yeah.
I was just trying to see if let's say if I'm trying to show it inside the room, right? So
Exactly.
I'll have it like
yes.
on the inner side, so you can see how it looks from on either side.
Exactly.
On all sides. Super cool. Yeah, you're saying something?
Okay, so let's try to change the put the culling back so we can see the cube the regular way, front face.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try to distribute this in Religion? Let's see if it distributes the video as well.
Okay.
I'm curious because I've never tried it.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out the thing again. Was it?
Yeah, you could just try linear. Just click any distribution type. It'll update.
Okay. 1 sec.
Okay, it's working, but you have to do the linear distance X. The slider? Yeah. Push linear distance X to see the copies. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
So they all have videos. Yes, that's correct.
Wow. Very nice.
Yeah. And if you go up, go up, and in the select distribution type, click on transform.
Okay, 1 sec.
Transform at the bottom.
Yeah,
this is going to be, so do scaling. Do scale. This is how you move all the, no, you want to do, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. Try uniform scale at the top. Check it.
Okay.
Hit reset. Hit reset. Okay,
right.
And then now push the scaler up. Yeah, to make everything big. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And look at how your FPS is still very high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes.
So you guys have optimized a lot of things here.
Yeah, it's meant to be a very optimized software.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Can I get a little bit of rotation? A little bit, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's fast. It's very fast. But if you want to do, what you can do is you can use the linear rotation. It's better. So hit reset and just scale it up again. Yeah, scale it up again. Yeah, transform and just scale it up again. And then we're going to use the linear rotation instead. Yeah, because this one is too fast.
Yeah.
We're going to make that smoother later. And then rotation X or Y. Yeah.
I'm just trying to find the right angle. And then move this to the side. Yeah.
Yes. When you watch our tutorials and you practice it, you'll be a pro in a week. Yes. You'll be able to do all sorts of effects, especially using the bias type. I mean, it's incredible what you can do. But yeah, I just wanted to test that. And of course, if you ever want to make a scene, recreate a scene in Univah using a reference, then you can also use you can go to Window. So let me show you the other way to bring in a video as a reference. Use the mini video player.
In this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so there it is. Just drag it.
Oh, yeah, you can import it.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, drag your mini viewport, your mini video player to a better, just undock it. Click at the top to undock it because right now it's docked in a weird way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so just drag it and put it like by your library or something.
Yeah. Do I need to place it there?
Yeah, it'll dock eventually. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so that's a really good way to, if you want to watch a reference and work off of the reference, and it plays audio as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Very nice. Yep.
And if you go back to your material editor with this box selected, you see the video speed.
Oh, is it playback speed, is it?
Yeah, that's the playback speed. So left will slow it down, right will speed it up.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Super cool.
And if you're done with the video, you can just delete it.
Okay. I'll have to, like, how do
You just click it and delete.
Click and delete?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes, just click it and push the delete key, or you can click clear all from the top. If you feel more safe. Sometimes if you might feel more safe just clicking clear all.
Yeah.
Go up. Yeah, go up to the materials. Go up. You see where it says clear all?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So, it was not obvious. I saw maybe is there somewhere as a menu?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's Univah.
Yeah. Wonderful. It's come a long way.
Yeah, it has.
Yeah. A lot of work.
Give me one more second. I want to try something with you. Can you click the Q parameters?
Where?
Right underneath Object Manager. So anytime I say parameters, you know it's going to be in the attribute editor. Yeah. So every primitive has parameters, and you can play with them and see what they do. So you can try increasing the subdivisions for X, Y, and Z. Yeah.
How do we know that this is subdivided? Do you have a wireframe view?
Don't worry. Just trust it. You'll see it eventually. Because you're gonna do bevel radius or spherify, and you're gonna see some changes. Now try. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So this is really procedural. You can change everything by changing one thing.
Yeah.
And it's very non-destructive because if you hit reset, it just goes right back to how it was before.
Very nice.
Yes.